Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn some concepts to adversarial search methods. Adversarial search methods, it's a search which is based on game theory, and according to game theory, a game is played between two players. To complete the game, one has to win the game and the other loses automatically. Such conflicting goal is there in adversarial search method. It's a game playing technique. Those games includes human intelligence and logic factor, excluding some other factors like luck. Some of the examples include tic-tac-toe, checkers and chess, where only mind works and not the luck. The techniques which are required to get the best optimal solution. Pruning, it's a technique which allows ignoring the unwanted portions of a search tree. Heuristic evaluation function, it allows to approximate the cost value at each level of the search tree before reaching the goal node. Elements of game playing search. Initial state. The top node in the game tree represents the initial state in the tree and it shows all the possible choices to pick out one. This is the representation of a tic-tac-toe game and this top node in the game tree is representing the initial state. Player. There are two players, Max and Min. Max begins the game by picking one best move and placing X in the empty square box. Actions. Both the players can make moves in the empty boxes chance by chance. Result. The moves made by Min and Max will decide the outcome of the game. Terminal test. When all the empty boxes are filled, that will be the terminating state of the game. Utility, at the end, we will come to know who is winning, whether it is Max or Min. Game as a search problem. The types of algorithms in adversarial search. First, in a normal search, we need to follow a sequence of actions in order to reach a goal or to finish the game optimally. But in an adversarial search, the result is depending on the players, which will decide the result of the game. The solution for the goal state will be an optimal solution because the player will try to win the game with the shortest path and under limited time. These are all the examples for the adversarial search methods: min-max, alpha-beta pruning. Min-max is otherwise called as minimax or algorithm. Here, the idea is to minimize the losing chances and maximize the winning chances, and it is a two-player game strategy. The players will be two, namely Min and Max. Max will increase the chance of winning the game, where Min will decrease the chance of the Max player to win the game. The result or the utility value is the heuristic function which is propagating from the initial node to the root node and the backtracking technique. The min-max algorithm is used in the decision-making game theory in AI. It is used to find the optimal move of a player. It is also used in games like tic-tac-toe, chess and checkers. Alpha-beta pruning. It cut off the search by exploring lesser number of nodes. It makes the same moves as that of the minimax algorithm, but prunes some unwanted branches using the pruning techniques. It works on two threshold values, alpha and beta. Alpha is the best highest value a max player can have. It is the lower bound which is representing the negative infinity value. Beta is the best lowest value a min player can have. It is the upper bound which is representing the positive infinity. Each max node will have an alpha value which will never decrease, and each min node will have a beta value which will never increase. Alpha beta pruning technique can be applied to trees of any depth, and it is possible to prune the entire subtrees easily. So in the coming sessions, we will be elaborately discussing about the two algorithms min-max and alpha-beta pruning. This is an introduction to the adversarial search methods. In this video, we have discussed about the adversarial search methods. Thank you.